hope.
Kid! Hey, kid!
Oh, please. Please, please. Excuse me, sorry. Okay. Please, 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 no, Cassie.
An infectious garbage scow.
So thanks for the hot.
Entered the upper atmosphere.
Hey, Peter Parker. You got something for me?
I don't know how you're gonna get us through all of that.
Inevitable.
You know me?
I do. When I'm done, half of humanity will still be alive. I hope they remember you.
Spare his life.
No tricks. We're in the endgame now.
What's he been doing?
Somewhere under all this.
Yeah, I don't much care.
Let's kill him properly this time.
You could not live. Back to me. Half of life, the other half of thought. And as long as they're to accept what can be, they will live. Because now, spread this universe down to its last atom. Create a new one. Teeming with because you won't be alive to tell them.
He won't back! He won't back!
Is that everyone?
Do you remember when we were in space? And I got all dusty, and I need us. And then he started doing the yellow sparkly thing that he does all the time. Oh, this is nice.
You missed the first time. Then you...
Seriously? Your choices were him or a tree.